Canva makes it simple to print something and get it sent right to your door or to the door of one of your clients. You're going to go to the home screen in Canva, and then you're going to go click on Print Shop. There's going to be multiple things here. You can search down here. You can look in your marketing. You can make banners, magazines, posters, tote bags, and mugs. Take some time to scroll through here and look for some fun ideas. I'm going to show you how to design a mug. Click on mugs. You can decide how many mugs you want to do later. Now I'm just going to say start designing. And then here it'll show you the surface area that you're able to add a design to. You could also add something to the back. And now we're going to go to page 1. You can start from scratch by adding text and elements here. You can also add a project that you've already worked on. Come down here to projects and scroll through your designs. This is something that I've already created, so I'm going to click on this and it's getting added to my mug. And then if I want to put a monogram on the back, I can click on this one. And of course I can change colors, anything I want to here. And now to check out and see what things are looking like, come here to and add back. Looks like this. Front looks like this. You can see the preview here. You can also come over here to Canva AI and you can describe what you want Canva to create for you, and then you can manipulate it from there. So I'm going to say make a sunshine with make it a happy day and an arc around the sunshine, and let's see what happens. Could also add a logo on the back. I'm going to go to my brand kit, go to my logos, and then just add a logo, and I can move it to the bottom and bring it around like that. Okay, and then once I'm ready with my design, I'm going to come over and say print with Canva. Let's go back to this mug, print with Canva. And then here you're going to scroll down and see your options here. You can choose multiple mugs. The price gets cheaper as you go down. And hit continue, go to checkout. You'll just add your info here and check out. You can add your client's address, get it shipped right to their door. This is a fun way to surprise and delight the people that you're working with. I'd love to know what you're creating in the Canva print shop. Leave me a message and I would love to see.